We're gonna go rescue a Goldendoodle. I'm in North Las Vegas, flying the Vision Jet out to Torrance, California for my son. He had a 15-year-old lab that just passed away. It was gut-wrenching. Doodles, they saved the day. Just like Skip the Groomer's Emergency Dematter is the rescue for matting, we're rescuing a doodle from the California Doodle Rescue. I'm really excited. Quick flight, 50 minutes out there. Vision Jet is prepped and ready to go. I got a warm heart, really excited to meet Chevy. Let's go.
Okay, we're in weight and balance.
49 kilo contact tower.
3,900 feet of runway today. Woo! That's a lot of runway. It's hot, heavy.
Who are you calling heavy?
Me.
Ground Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor Lima, ready to taxi transit.
Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor Lima, is ground standby for taxi.
Okay, I'm kind of excited to go see Chevy.
I am too. Oh, I got a video.
I really hope that he takes a liking to our doodles.
I do too.
Makes me nervous because I know how attached
Contact tower 199.
our kids get so fast.
115. 58 Echo.
Aww. I feel bad for the rescue people having to give up the doodle.
I know.
Contact
Contact 133, Tower, you with me?
No cast messages. 50, looking for 85.
Contact 133, start a right turn.
60.
3 fingers like right base, runway 12 right.
Right turn, drag 3 fingers.
75.
2 right, contact 133.
Man, it is warm. The plane just doesn't want to fly. Here we go.
West one, extra 5,000.
There we go.
Contact 133, ready?
Quickly out of runway, gears up.
Change your press.
Up to the command bars.
Yeah, that was wild. Normally it's like...
Yeah, not today. Hot and heavy.
Requesting ILS Approach back to the northwest.
Contact 05 northwest.
Gear is up.
Traffic 6 o'clock, less than a mile.
And looking for 600 for flaps.
Contact tower 119.159.
119.15, contact 305.
Southbound Vegas Tower is 1 flight 2, short of 130 Charlie.
Contact 132, so just right turn 20 degrees.
Auto throttle is on. Autopilot's on.
20 degrees, please.
Caps. Go back to FLC. Got the climb rate figured out.
3465. 3465.
Flaps are up. Check gears up. Airspeed. Climb checklist. Power level is back.
5 Mike Victor, ready to contact just over Route Square, just to verify you're on the northbound 5 departure. Affirmative, Mike Victor. Mike Victor, roger. Climb maintain flight level 190, 190, Mike Victor. Mike Victor, sailed speed leaving. 4,000.
4,00005 Mike Victor. Sorry, I didn't say that.
Low,
Hold on.
1 mile. Traffic.
Insight.
Low, less than 1 mile.
Doing good. Climb rate's good. And we need to be at 7,000 to cross next point. At this point, looks like we're going to make it.
Victor, climbing to maintain flight level 190, expedite all the way up. 190, expediting, Mike Victor.
Okay, I love that departure.
I don't. There's too much traffic.
Yeah, a lot of traffic, tight turns. Okay, we're off the procedure, so get ready for a vector to somewhere new.
Number 5, Mike Victor, turn right heading 170 and when you're Cresso, flight plan route. Okay, right turn 170 when able, direct Cresso, 5 Mike Victor.
Okay,
Frontier flight 1283.
I'm going to climb it what I want now.
For in-trail spacing.
Working my way to VX, but we don't need to be there.
I was saying when we were taking off, I was trying to get a text off to your sister to send her pictures of Chevy, but it didn't send. She'll be surprised if she comes back in a week and we're like, so we got a dog.
No, she wouldn't. That's how we roll.
That's true, actually.
So we bought a plane.
Yeah.
I think Liam's going to handle this.
Eating the dog?
Yeah, just with Katie just passing in.
He's the one that, you know, Aubrey was sending him dogs after we had that like initial like, yeah, I think I do want another dog. And then
departure, mission 6.
He's the one that asked me to fill out an application.
We are
and then like
5,000.
Just filling a void in his heart.
2 hours later, he's like, did you fill it out yet? Did you fill it out yet? I'm like, the application took a long time. It took me like 2 or 3 hours.
It's Goldendoodle's California Rescue.
LA Center
California
1.62.
Doodles Rescue.
California Doodles Rescue. Was it Aubrey that found California Doodle Rescues?
Yeah.
We got like 90,000 people on their Instagram that just obsess over all the dogs on there.
I know.
It breaks your heart. You look at all of them, they look so sad, and they shave them down And Doodles like even more sad when they're shaved.
I know. When I was on the phone with the lady, she goes, "Did you see one named Cheyenne on the website?" And I was like, "Oh, she's the one that had to get shaved." And she's like, "Yeah, it's so sad."
All of them. They probably are rescued because they're matted and not well taken care of.
Well, they all need Skip the Groomer products.
If you have a doodle that mats, Skip the Groomer's Emergency Dematter. My wife invented the idea of sprays don't work, they don't take out mats, and then everyone shaves their dog, and they look sad.
Very sad.
Very sad.
Dogs are even sad.
So we're entrepreneurs, and we invented Skip the Groomer's Emergency Dematter. But that's not all.
That's not all. There's more.
What do we have, Vanna?
The detangling treatment, which replaces sprays, because sprays don't work.
They're just water.
They're literally just water, because the stuff that's in it that works can't go through a spray nozzle very easily. And the nozzles break, and you get bad reviews on Amazon. It's a whole thing. So, undo, sprinkle it on, rub it in, brush it out.
And if you miss one because it went in the pool and played, Emergency Dematter. All right, plug over.
Okay.
Go buy it on Instagram.
Instagram.
Wow. At least I'm good at flying planes. Amazon.
Amazon.
You follow us on Instagram. Skip the Groomer.
She sent me, did I show you this?
No, just show me.
This was yesterday at his T-ball practice.
Oh, that's not fair. Now I feel like I'm stealing from a kid.
Well, they're not allowed to, I know, right? They're not allowed to keep him.
Wild. People have big hearts.
They really do. You know, if I was like old, well, actually maybe not, I don't know. I was gonna say if I was like old and single and I like didn't have kids, I would probably foster dogs.
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't be around, so that means I'm dead.
True.
You don't have to foster me anymore.
Sure about that? I was telling Aubrey that I can totally see Sailor like rescuing him, like becoming his mom. She's such a mom, you know? Well, she is.
She's also a mom that could be like, oh no, this ain't happening.
True.
Dogs will probably, they don't BS around. It's like sniff.
LA Center.
Okay, we're good.
616 at 1.
Or, no, that's trouble.
Well, Sailor, like, you know, if a dog ever tries to like mount her or like sniffs her up too much, I mean, she full on is like, you know.
I think that's typical for women
like,
to not allow guys to mount them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Built in the DNA of dogs and humans.
225 Mike Victor. 225 Mike Victor, LA Center, climb maintain level 230. 230, 5 Mike Victor.
You know what's interesting? When we adopted Sunny, it was from Lab Rescuers. I was looking for a doodle rescue all over. That was how long ago? Like 11 years ago now? Must have been. And there were no doodle rescues. And I was like, well, it's because they're so cute. Who would ever give up a doodle, right? She had doodle in her.
Wow. I think that doodles just exploded in the last, I'm going to say half dozen years.
Yeah.
Just they're everywhere now.
Yeah. But
for good reason.
Yeah, I was saying, like, they must not have existed back then. And now look at all the dogs they have.
Yeah.
I need to, like, literally unfollow the page. Every day I'll be like, hey, honey.
Romeo, Los Angeles, Center, climb maintain level 210.
He needs a home.
Yeah, ready, let's Romeo.
Just go back to the channels that have memes of doodles being cute. Not the ones you can take. About to go into cloud. It's minus 20. So I'm going to put engine ice protection on. Highly doubt that we're going to get ice, but you never know. 27,600 for 30,000.
3722, traffic 11 o'clock, 20 miles northeast on an Embraer, climbing to 1,000 feet below.
We're looking for him, Southwest 3722.
Current weather. 128.5 knots, 10 miles visibility, scattered at 1,200. You can do with that. ATIS, standby. Ground, standby.
Victor 492, contact LA Center 126.35.
2635, Zitcha 492, have a good day.
Okay.
They sent me a contract to sign.
Nice.
I wonder what it says.
It says no returns.
How do you think we should do this? Should we go in and meet him first and then bring our doodles in?
I think that we should all come at once, like a freight train. So we handle
It's a freight train.
Yeah.
Roger. 5 Mike Victor, clear direct Fritz, descend and maintain 8,000.
Direct Fritz, 8,000, 5 Mike Victor.
November 6-7 Foxtrot, turn right heading 080.
Repeat that heading for 675.
Okay, vertical speed set.
Foxtrot, turn right heading 080.
1,000 feet per minute down, heading direct to Fritz. And
November
that looks about right.
Victor, cross Fritz at 8,000 and 220 knots.
8,220 knots crossing Fritz, Mike Victor.
November 7620 Golf, contact approach 125.5.
That in.
Navigation to Chino 25.5.
Enter
125.5 is Zumo navigation. Thanks for your help today, 20 Golf.
vertical navigation. And 220 knots. Let's get that speed in. 220.
Departure, transport 33, 38 heavy, 7,000.
220.
433,
8,000.
heavy, SoCal departure, roger, climb and
Coming in, and
Climb 9 or 1,000.
gonna slow my descent down.
33, 38 heavy.
November 225, single Foxtrot, total approach on trail 2989er, navigate east of the
2 radio frequencies crossing.
2989er and east of the 15, 225, single Foxtrot.
March Air Force Base.
November 67 Foxtrot, traffic 12 o'clock.
A lot of planes gone. I wonder where they're at.
500, you'll pass behind them.
Roger, looking.
In the Iran.
The Iran.
Do you remember the Saturday Night Live skit?
2585.
The Iraq.
Approach 135.
And now introducing the Iran, and it was the shoe.
Oh, yeah. That was funny.
Correlating the iPhone releases.
Yeah. It looks like at 8,000 we're going to run into that mountain.
We are, you know what?
November 301 with
We would if we're to the left.
Sierra's with you on it.
But we're not going to go there. We're going to be doing a right turn. There's so much happening in LA as far as air traffic control and planes.
Yeah.
It is,
See, this is the part I like to sleep through.
it's a beehive.
So what I was saying about
965, contact
rescues.
125.35.
Like, I feel like with Sunny and with Katie,
Southwest 965.
and then I look in the eyes of this one, and you could just, there's like this sadness behind their eyes, you know, because they don't know what's happened in their life.
Yeah.
Obviously it's gotten like completely turned upside down, and they just have this like, just want to be loved, you know, like
Yeah.
they want to be taken care of. It absolutely breaks my heart. But then you look at like Sailor and Skipper, and they're just like, I've known all along that you love me, and like my life is great. That was so funny.
Right, 270 and 2,000 till established, Mike.
Skywest 3267, traffic 2.
Procedure.
Southwest on a Gulf.
Activate vectors to final.
Approach 121.3.
Lucky, now 121.3, Skywest 3267.
Approach is programmed.
Alvinus Bay.
Approach 614, got Tango 3,500.
November 604, Tango Tango, SoCal approach, downwind altimeter 2991.
Look at how big that marina is with
5 Mike Victor, contact tower 133.07.
3307, Mike Victor.
all the cargo coming in.
Hi, Torrance, Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, descending 2400 for the ILS.
Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, Torrance Tower, runway 29 right, cleared to land.
29 right, cleared to land, Mike Victor.
Okay, gear coming down. Check flaps as required. And I'm going full flaps. Below 150, check. Absolutely insane. Look at, there's a whole track of trains doing circles. Alright, light slip
Insane.
coming in.
Swing 32 Romeo, frequency change approved.
Cabin differential good. We're already down to sea level. Brakes check. Flaps 100. Airspeed check.
Tango, frequency change approved. 46 Tango switching, good afternoon.
Go around checklist up.
Quite the operation.
cruise ship in there now. That looks tiny.
Um,
Got all these oil fields too.
this is expensive land to just have a bunch of boxes come into.
Just think of the amount of taxes we collect because of what comes through here.
True.
Probably more than property. Okay, autopilot coming off. Pilot wheel on.
Pick up one half, the other one on.
And traffic a factor anymore for Mike Victor?
5 Mike Victor, they're about half mile final for the runways now at 800 indicated.
Thank you.
What does that mean?
They're further ahead and 600 feet lower than us.
Wind 040 at 3.
And 5 Mike Victor, just confirm we're number 1 for the right.
So 5 Mike Victor, affirmative, number 1, runway 29 right.
Number 129 right, thanks Mike Victor.
The parallel aircraft in front of us just looked like he was on our final. Now that would be a cool golf course right there. Just watch planes as you play.
I have a feeling you wouldn't play very well.
It's tough for a golfer to fly by. Just want to look at it. Just a little high. On the visual.
Swing 6 Whiskey, turn left on Delta, taxi swing via Delta, remain this frequency, have a good one.
Okay, Ranger frequency, I'll be taxiing Delta and eventually the fuel base.
500.
Coming into glide slope.
Minimums.
Airport in sight. Gear down. Bow dampener off. Got a little crosswind here. A little to the right. Okay. Wow. Got a sheer of a lift there.
Flare.
Okay. We're about to touch down, just got like a few knots sheer and just lifted right back up.
5 Mike Victor, turn left on Charlie, contact ground 120.9.
Charlie and 20.9 Mike Victor.
I got it. Okay. That was fun. That was great.
Sorry.
Thank you. Let's go see a dog. Let's go see about a dog.
Let's go see about a dog. Do you want to know what it says? I understand that I'm adopting a rescue dog from California Doodle Rescue, which requires my patience as my doodle adjusts to a new home and family. I agreed to a minimum of 1 week for my doodle to become acclimated with the new surroundings and family. I agree to always keep doodle on a leash when outdoors. I agree that my doodle will reside indoors as a member of my family and not left outdoors or unattended, chained or tethered in any manner.
Better than you treat me.
Oh, I don't chain you up outside. I agree to exercise my doodle regularly and provide adequate healthy food as well as clean water.
That sucks that they have to tell people to do that.
Seriously. My sole purpose for adopting a doodle is to be a companion to live in my home and be part of my family.
Perfect.
Worse than